ZANU-PF has sparked a debate after co-opting presidential advisor Paul Tungwarara into its powerful central committee, a move critics say further entrenches patronage politics within the ruling party. Sadabina mashukobda pangwana nyukwachinzi ZANU-PF co-opts Paul Tungwarara into central committee. Chitiko chaitika vanhu vasingafungiri kuti Tungwarara uya nhau yake yekuManicaland iya ingatozomboendera mberi here. Sadabina mashukobda nyukwapangwa ine ndobva subscriber like turn on the bell icon. Zim chiti. The announcement was made during the party's 390 ordinary session of the Politburo held in Harare on Wednesday. Addressing the media after the meeting, ZANU-PF Secretary for Information and Publicity, Christopher Mchangwa, confirmed the development in quotes. We have injected new blood into the party leadership with the selection of presidential advisor Paul Tungwarara as a new Central Committee member from Manicaland, Mchangwa said. However, the decision has drawn scrutiny, with observers questioning whether the appointment represents genuine renewal or a consolidation of influence around the president, mnangagwa. Tungwarara, widely known as Mnangagwa's special advisor, now assumes a strategic role within the party's top decision-making structures. Critics argue that his elevation blurs the lines between state and party functions, reinforcing perceptions that loyalty to a president outweighs broader party consultation. While party officials framed the move as part of strengthening leadership structures, detractors see it differently. Some insiders reportedly view the co-option as a calculated step to tighten control ahead of future political battles. The president continues to surround himself with a loyalist, a party sources said. This is not about new blood, it is about consolidating power. The development comes at a time when ZANU-PF faces mounting internal and external pressure over governance and succession issues. Tungwarara's rapid rise within the party hierarchy is likely to intensify debate about transparency, merit, and the direction of the ruling party's leadership trajectory. Doma developments are from Zimbabwe. PANECHAMISA section members of Muro about to leave on Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.